A signature scent. It's something we all crave. A unique aroma that embodies our personality and leaves a lasting impression. A spritz of perfume can evoke memories, boost confidence, and even influence those around us. Finding the perfect scent, however, can be a daunting task. Remember that perfume is personal. What smells divine on one person might smell completely different on another. Our body chemistry interacts with fragrances in unique ways. This is why finding a truly unique scent can be such a challenge. Walking down the perfume aisle can be overwhelming. Countless bottles promise enticing scents, but the reality often falls short. Many commercial perfumes contain synthetic ingredients that can cause headaches or skin irritations. The price of commercial perfumes is another deterrent. Designer fragrances can cost a small fortune, leaving you hesitant to experiment and find your signature scent. Wouldn't it be wonderful to create a personalized perfume tailored to your preferences without breaking the bank? The answer lies in the world of DIY. Creating your own perfume at home might seem intimidating, but it's easier than you think. With just a few essential oils and carrier oils, you can become your own perfumer. Imagine crafting a scent that reflects your individual style and preferences. DIY perfumes offer a world of possibilities. You control the ingredients, the intensity, and the overall aroma. It's a journey of discovery, allowing you to experiment with different scents and create something truly your own. Essential oils are the heart of DIY perfumes. These natural wonders are not just about fragrance. They carry the essence of the plants they are derived from, capturing their unique properties and benefits. These concentrated extracts are derived from flowers, herbs, and other botanicals. The process of distillation or cold pressing ensures that the oils retain the purest form of the plant's essence, making them potent and effective. Each essential oil possesses a unique aroma and therapeutic properties. For instance, some oils are known for their calming effects, while others can invigorate and energize. This diversity allows for endless possibilities in creating personalized scents. Lavender oil, for example, is known for its calming effect. It is often used in aromatherapy to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Imagine ending a long day with the soothing scent of lavender, helping you unwind and find peace. While citrus oils like lemon and orange are uplifting and energizing. These oils can brighten your mood and provide a burst of freshness. They are perfect for morning routines, giving you a revitalizing start to your day. When choosing essential oils for your perfume, consider the mood you want to evoke. Do you want something that invigorates and energizes, or perhaps a scent that calms and soothes? The choice of oils can significantly impact the overall feel of your perfume. Do you prefer a fresh and invigorating scent or something warm and sensual? Fresh scents often include notes of citrus and mint, while warm and sensual fragrances might feature vanilla, sandalwood, or patchouli. Research different essential oils and their properties to create a fragrance profile that resonates with you. Understanding the characteristics of each oil will help you blend them harmoniously, crafting a scent that is uniquely yours. Dive into the world of essential oils and discover the endless possibilities they offer for creating your perfect DIY perfume. The role of carrier oils. While essential oils provide the fragrance, carrier oils dilute and preserve the blend. These oils, extracted from nuts and seeds, create a base for your perfume and help it adhere to your skin. Popular carrier oils include jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and grapeseed oil. Each carrier oil has its own unique properties. Jojoba oil closely resembles our skin's natural sebum, making it a good choice for sensitive skin. Sweet almond oil is moisturizing and nourishing, while grapeseed oil is lightweight and absorbs quickly. Creating your signature blend. A step-by-step guide. In this section, we will walk you through the process of creating your very own signature blend of essential oils. This is a fun and creative activity that allows you to personalize your fragrance to match your unique preferences and needs. Now comes the fun part, blending your oils. This is where you get to experiment with different combinations and discover what scents resonate with you the most. Whether you prefer floral, citrus, woody, or spicy notes, the possibilities are endless. Start with a clean glass roller bottle. It's important to ensure that your bottle is thoroughly cleaned and dried before you begin, as any residue can affect the final scent of your blend. Add 10 to 15 drops of your chosen essential oils to the bottle. You can start with a base note, which is the foundation of your blend, then add middle notes, and finally, top notes. Each type of note evaporates at a different rate, creating a layered scent experience. Remember, a little goes a long way. Essential oils are highly concentrated, so even a few drops can have a powerful impact. It's always better to start with less and add more if needed. Next, fill the rest of the bottle with your carrier oil, leaving a little space at the top. Carrier oils, such as jojoba, almond, or coconut oil, help dilute the essential oils and make them safe for skin application. They also help to carry the scent and ensure it lasts longer. Secure the roller ball tightly and gently roll the bottle between your palms to mix the oils thoroughly. This step is crucial as it ensures that all the oils are well blended and the scent is evenly distributed. Your DIY perfume is ready. You've now created a unique fragrance that is entirely your own. This personalized blend can be a wonderful addition to your daily routine or a thoughtful gift for someone special. To apply, simply roll the perfume onto your pulse points, such as your wrists, neck, and behind your ears. These areas generate heat, which helps to diffuse the scent and make it last longer. Enjoy your custom-made fragrance and the compliments that are sure to follow. Experiment and find your perfect match. In this section, we will explore the exciting world of DIY perfumes and how you can create your own unique scents by experimenting with different essential oils. Don't be afraid to get creative. The process of making your own perfume is not only fun, but also allows you to express your individuality through scent. The beauty of DIY perfumes lies in the ability to customize. You have the freedom to choose the exact combination of essential oils that resonate with you, creating a scent that is truly one of a kind. Try different combinations of essential oils to create unique scents. Start with a few drops of your favorite oils and gradually add more until you achieve the desired fragrance. Mix floral notes like rose, which is known for its sweet and romantic aroma, and jasmine for a romantic aroma, or combine citrus oils like lemon and orange and woody scents like cedarwood and sandalwood for a refreshing and grounding blend. These combinations can evoke different moods and feelings, making your perfume a reflection of your personality. Keep a journal to track your experiments. Documenting your process will help you remember which combinations you liked and which ones you didn't. Note down the essential oils you used, their ratios, and any other details that might be important, such as the time of day you made the blend or the mood you were in, and your impressions of the final scent. This will help you understand how different oils interact with each other and how they evolve over time. This will help you refine your blends. Over time, you'll develop a better sense of which oils work well together and which ones don't, and eventually create your signature perfume masterpiece. With patience and practice, you'll be able to craft a scent that is uniquely yours, a true reflection of your personal style and preferences. Benefits of DIY perfumes. DIY perfumes offer numerous benefits over their commercial counterparts. By using natural ingredients, you avoid the harsh chemicals and synthetic fragrances found in many store-bought perfumes. This is especially beneficial for those with sensitive skin or allergies. Another advantage is cost effectiveness. Essential oils and carrier oils are relatively inexpensive, especially compared to the high prices of designer perfumes. You can create a personalized scent for a fraction of the cost, allowing you to experiment and indulge in a variety of fragrances. Embrace the world of scent. Creating your own perfume is an empowering experience. It's a journey of self-discovery and creativity, allowing you to express yourself through the art of scent. Embrace the process, experiment with different blends, and enjoy the satisfaction of wearing a perfume that is uniquely yours. We encourage you to share your DIY perfume creations and experiences in the comments below. Let's inspire each other with our love for fragrance and the joy of crafting something beautiful and personal. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to check out my other videos on DIY beauty products, and let me know in the comments what scent you created.